My people, na good morning, na good afternoon, na good evening. I greet you according to una time. Now welcome back to another video. If today na the first day wey be say you just see my channel, you are highly welcome. My returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. Today's video, my people, I go to show now how to cook plantain and egg with vegetables. Like, trust me, if you be say just dey think right now wetin you want to give your family as dinner, see, trust me, this recipe na one of the best. Like, you will like and your family will enjoy am. So this na all my ingredients. This one na spinach, my leftover spinach. So this one na groundnut oil, so I will use groundnut oil. So this one na green beans and carrots. I don't wash and slice them already, so it's don ready to use. As you guys can see, it's ready to be used. Then this na fresh pepper, habanero pepper. So I don't slice them, wash them, slice them. Then this one na green bell pepper and red bell pepper. So now be this. Then this one na onions. So this one na maggi. Now half I go dey use, now half dey here. So na him. So this one na my seasoning. This na curry. This na black pepper. The other one na nutmeg. So this one na curry. Sorry, this one na thyme, I mean. So this one na paprika, sweet paprika. So egg, 6 egg. I go dey use all the egg. So this na plantain. I don't wash them already, so it's don ready to use. I don't wash and clean them. So these are all my ingredients when I go dey use. So if I will add anything, I will still let una know. So now make we peel the plantain. So my people, I don't cut the plantain slice am to this size. So now make we fry the plantain. So I can put my groundnut oil from pot. Then I can leave am make it hot small. Then I can put the plantain. So my people, sorry say I no show now. I put salt for the plantain. So I just sprinkle some salt for the plantain before I begin fry. So now I don't fry. Don't fry finish. Then I can remove. So now my people, make we fry the vegetable. So I can't put my groundnut oil for pan. This not my leftover groundnut oil when I take fry the plantain remain. Just that I just remove some because it's too much. Then I can put onions. Then I can fry for some time. Then I can put this now ginger. Sorry, see, I'm not sure now before. Then I can put ginger. Then I can begin fry for like 2 minutes. Then I can put the fresh pepper. It's now habanero pepper. Then I can put this pepper very hot, very hot. Then I can fry for like 2 minutes. So after I don't fry it, I can put the red and the green bell pepper. Then I can put them. Then I can begin stirring together. I bet if you don't watch me all to this time, you don't forget to like this video and you subscribe if you never subscribe. So later I can put the green beans and the carrots. Then I can add them. I can begin frying. So later I can begin add my seasoning, the curry, thyme, the maggi, paprika, nutmeg, black pepper. So that's now waiting I put. Then I can put them. Then after I put them finish, then I can begin stir. Just do a stir fry. So my people, how now they see this recipe? See, my house they scent, everywhere they scent. So I can sprinkle some salt. Then I can begin fry. Yummy. See how my house dey scent, everywhere dey scent. Then I come begin stir. I too like vegetable. I like vegetable well. Then after I don stir am finish, don fry for like 2 minutes. Then this na spinach. I come put spinach. After immediately I put the spinach finish, I come pour the egg put. Then this na the 6 egg. Then I come pour am put. I no just wait because I no want make the spinach too done. So later, as I just dey put the egg finish, I just pour the plantain joiner. So this is it. My dinner is ready. This food, it tastes so yummy. It tastes so yummy. Maybe I wanna see this food. Very healthy, very healthy, and it dey rich well. So I come begin do and stir fry. Just fry everything together. So that's it. If this na wetin you go dey try, everybody make una let me know for the comment section. Wetin una think about this recipe? See, trust me, we really enjoy am. My family enjoy am. Like very yummy. Like so yummy. If you never like, I beg you like this video. That's it. My food is ready. I beg, make una come join me. Make una join me. I beg, make una join me for this food. Like seafood now. Seafood. So delicious, rich, yummy. How una see this food? How una see am? Wetin una think? This na wetin una go dey try. So we have come to the end of this video. I beg, make una not forget to like this video. Make una share, subscribe. Okay, subscription na free, my people. Just press that red button there wey say subscribe. So I will see you all in my next video. Bye.